It's a BMW and si ma'am yung owner. Hi ma'am.
Hello.
Alright, ma'am, nice bike, BMW F750 GS. Ma'am, one question, what do you do for a living? Hello sir, good morning. Pati Multisada.
Yes.
Alright sir, ilang cc po ito sir?
950.
950cc. Alright sir, one question, what do you do for a living?
I'm a lawyer.
Lawyer din. Alright sir, your name is?
Tito Antonio.
Attorney Tito Antonio.
Yes.
Alright sir, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice bike and ride safe. Ayos yung bike mo sir. Sir, anong pangalan ng bike mo?
Moto Guzzi.
Ilang cc po ito? 900cc, alright sir. Ang ganda po Wow, it's a bobber or chopper
bobber,
type?
yeah, bobber.
Bobber type. Alright sir, one question, what do you do for a living?
Businessman.
Businessman, anong klaseng business ito sir?
Apartment.
Property rentals.
Yeah.
Alright sir, nice meeting you. Iyon, thank you sir. Ride safe. Your name is?
Marvin Isles.
Alright sir, nice meeting you. Thank you so much and ride safe. Wow, it's a Ducati Monster. Ilang cc po ito sir?
937
937, Ducati Monster 937. Parang ito yung bagong model ngayon, right sir?
2021 model.
2021. So bago lang to sir?
Yes, 2 months old.
2 months old. Alright sir, one question, what do you do for a living?
Sailor.
Sailor. Para sailor sir? Marine? Parang
Engineer.
ano? You're a marine engineer.
Yes.
Alright sir, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you also.
Parang napababa, para sa ride.
Actually, simula nung kinuha ko, hindi pa ako natitigil sa bahay.
Thank you so much, your name is?
So,
Sir Joe.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sir Joe. And nice bike. Ingat po kayo sa biyahe. Ayan, ganda na Ducati Monster ni Sir. It's a BMW GS 1250 Rally. And si Sir yung owner. Hi, Sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Sir, 1250 to tama, Sir?
Yes po.
One question, what do you do for a living?
I'm a captain.
Kapitan po kayo ng barko. So ngayon, Sir, napababa lang kayo para mag-ride-ride. Pero eventually, sasakay pa rin po kayo, Sir.
Next week ulit.
Alright. Your name is?
Alan.
Cap Alan. Thank you so much, Cap Alan. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, thank
Ride
you.
safe always. And nice ride. It's a Ninja, sir. It's a ZX, right?
Yes.
ZX 10R. One question, what do you do for a living?
IT.
IT. Sir, anong field kayo sa IT?
Consulting.
Consulting. Alright. Thank you so much, sir. Your name is?
Red.
Sir Red. Alright. Bagets na bagets, sir. Ilan taong kayo, sir?
31.
31. 31?
31.
Para lang kayo 24.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir. Bagets na bagets, sir. Thank you. Ingat. Ganda, ganda. Alright, si sir ay naka-Binelli. Alright. Sir, ilang cc po itong motor nyo?
500.
Binelli
Leoncino.
Leoncino 500. Alright, sir. One question. What do you do for a living?
Self-employed din. Businessman.
Self-employed businessman. Anong business to, sir?
Buy and sell ng kotse.
Buy and sell. Alright. May page ka, sir?
Wala naman.
Wala. So, physically, buy and sell talaga, sir. Alright. Nice meeting you. Your name is?
Kiko.
Sir Kiko. Thank you, Sir Kiko. And ride safe. It's a BMW and si ma'am yung owner. Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Alright, ma'am, nice bike. BMW F750 GS. Ma'am, one question. What do you do for a living?
I'm a fashion designer.
Fashion designer. Alright, ma'am. Baka may page po kayo or something.
Follow Cheryl Vicente. Instagram Cheryl Vicente and Rev Mama.
Cheryl Vicente. Nice bike,
Also
ma'am.
this one, Rev Mama.
Rev, mama. Nagbo-vlog din po kayo or
Konti lang.
paminsan-minsan lang.
Yeah.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you. Your name is Ma'am Cheryl.
Yeah.
Alright, Ma'am Cheryl Vicente. Ride safe.